Ito yung may palaman, tapos ito yung walang palaman. Sarap.
Sarap rin naman may palaman.
Ito yung nagluluto. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Mag-ano ka naman?
Siya si ano? Sino yung pangalan niya?
Apo Wangod.
Apo Wangod. Nagsusuma. Nagsusuma na lang siya ngayon, guys.
And I was living in Panabo. I cook this one.
Ah, you cook that. And then now,
make benta
how about now? You cook, I cook for that, for cook in, suma now.
I cook that for totally ending.
Yes,
of course.
Is that yummy?
Yes.
Can you try and then you eat?
You eat first.
No, you. Show the people.
Ay. Tikman mo yung isa. O, dali.
Ayoko niyan.
Bilisan mo, tikman mo. Ayun.
Oh.
Sabi mo,
Ayan, guys.
Request niya yan. Walang...
Ito yung gusto ko kasi wala siyang palaman. Ayoko lang masyadong sweet.
Ito.
Ayan.
Tikman mo nga.
Mango. I love it.
Wow, ang galing. O, ikaw din. Good.
Bakit nakita yung ano?
Based on your... Bungal.
Ang
What
lasa?
can you say? Thumbs up? Ano? Wala ka ng ano?